if you're looking forward to convert your office, your workspace, or your home into a big boss house for surveillance purposes, like basically if you're looking for a security camera and you are very tight on budget, you are looking in a budget range, you're looking for a security camera in a budget range, then this lighting thing here might be the best option you can get in the market right now. So this is Xiaomi 360-degree home security camera, and it shoots up to 180p resolution. So that's a good thing. Now, what are the features and how to set it up and how you can use this particular camera, that I'm going to explain in today's video. So if you are new to the channel, please do subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And welcome to the channel, guys. My name is Pratik. Without wasting any time, let's start the video. So this is Xiaomi 360-degree home security camera, and it comes in a budget range. Price and all I will be telling you all at the end of this video. And if you're looking for a budget option, then trust me guys, this is the best option you can get in the market right now. So what are the features? I'll guide you through it. So this is, as you can see, a very small camera, and the form factor is actually very good. Now, talking about your starting with what all you get in the box, as this camera is already in use, so I don't have the box with me right now, but you do get user manual with this one, and also you do get some accessories with this, not accessories actually. So you do get an adapter. So this is the adapter you can see, and you do get a cable. So this is actually a micro USB cable. Now, well, see, this particular camera here, it does not have any inbuilt battery, so you have to continuously plug the adapter, this cable, to this one, this small camera over here, and you have to continuously power it. So yeah, no inbuilt battery in here. So these are the basic accessories. You also get the mount and the screws in the box. So if you are looking to mount this camera on the ceiling or anywhere else, so you can use that mount, and you can just simply set it up at your required place. So starting with the overview of the product, as you can see, it is very compact actually, not big, and it is a completely plastic build, and this one here is in white color. So I'll give you a quick overview of this product. So at the front you can see there is a camera, and this is a 20 megapixel camera, and you do get an LED indication over here, and this is actually a 360-degree motion. So as you can see, you can rotate this one, the black housing, as well as the outer the ball head, it also rotates. So this is 360-degree motion you can get in this one. So MI branding at the bottom, and completely plastic build, nothing much, but the build is good. And at the back side you can see this texture, or whatever say, this is actually the speaker. And because this particular security camera has a talkback feature that I'll explain you later in this video. And at the bottom you can see there is a micro USB port, as well as you get a reset button over here. So no on off button. Whenever you connect it with to the power source, it will start recording. So no option to turn on the camera or turn off the camera. That you can control from the application. I'll explain later in this video. And that's about the overview of the product. So yes, you get an adapter, you get a cable, and that cable you can attach over here. So this was the basic thing. Now talking about the basic features of this particular security camera. So this can shoot up to 1080p resolution, which is a full HD resolution. And if you compare other security cameras, mostly shoots up to 720p. So this one is actually a great option, as it can shoot in HD, full HD. So that's actually a good thing. And one thing I forgot to mention over here, which is as you can see, you get an LED indicator on the top of the camera, as well as there is a mic below it. So even it can record your audio as well with the video. Not only video, but it can record your audio as well. And at the bottom you can see here there is an housing for memory card. So if you want to record the videos, if you want to save the footage, then you have to use the memory card in this one. So yeah, that's about all the things. And talking about the features now, it, as I told you, it can shoot up to 1080p full HD resolution. Apart from that, it comes with AI motion detection, which is a good thing, and it also has that infrared night vision. So if there are no lights, then also it will give you actually a very good quality footage. That I'll show the example videos in the I'll include all that videos in this video, so you can see, you can take a look at that videos, and you can get an idea what kind of quality we can achieve from this camera. So yeah, it has that infrared night vision, it has AI detection mode, and as I told you, this has a speaker on the back, so it comes with talk back feature. And I can actually it doesn't matter that I am in the office or I am at my house, I can use that option and I can speak through my mobile, through the application, and you can hear it. So that's actually a very good option. So these are the basic features it comes with, and actually I love the features. And talking about the bottom now, as I told you, it in the box there is mount, so you can attach that mount at the bottom of this camera. So yeah, that's all about the features and the build quality and the overview of the product. Now talking about the setup, the connectivity. So you have to download the Mi Home या फिर Xiaomi Home application, and you have to connect this one with that application. So the connection process is simple, nothing much in that. I'll show you the application. So as you can see, this is the application you need to download. So it is available for Android as well as iOS device also. So you can no matter if you have Apple phones, you can use it. So you will find the application on Play Store as well as on App Store. So yeah, Mi Home is the application, or Xiaomi Home, and you can download it. And once you download, so make sure both the device, the camera and your mobile phone are on the same Wi-Fi network. So we'll quickly plug the camera and we'll connect it. So this is the micro USB cable, and you have to attach it at the bottom. So the wire is actually it comes in good length, and we'll plug the adapter now. So as you can see, the LED indication is on over here, so we are good to go now. We'll just quickly connect the camera to the application, and I'll show you how you can use and how you can control this, or how you can monitor from this security camera. So this is the basic interface of the application.
Scan QR code to pair the device. Waiting for connection.
Okay, so when you turn on the camera, you will get this kind of output, or voice from the speaker, and now it is good to connect. Now what I'll do is we'll open the application and tap on plus icon and select add a device option, and now you can see you will get an option of Mi Home Security Camera 360 degree. Just hold on, yaar ruk ja mere bhai, very annoying guy. Okay, so we'll tap on Mi Home Security now, and once it is done, we'll make sure both these devices are on the same Wi-Fi, and we'll select next. Now what we have to do here is we have to scan this barcode. So what I'll do is I'll keep this one here, and we'll just quickly okay. So once the QR code is scanned, you can see it is detecting, it is setting it up, and it will do all the things on its own. So now the device is online, and yes, you can select whatever option you want. If this camera is in living room, is in office, so I have already set it as studio, so you can select it here and you can click on next, and nothing much, next, and let's get started. So yeah, so now you can see as the camera is facing directly towards me, so it is showing this one. So this is the footage you can get, and if I want to control the degree at whatever angle I want, so basically what I'll do is I'll tap on this toggle over here, and we'll just change the direction. So you can notice the response is actually very quick in terms of handling it. So as soon as I'm clicking the button, you can see here it is immediately moving. See, only there is a bit delay in streaming. The video stream is a bit 1 or 2 seconds behind, but the actual connection between the mobile phone and the camera is actually very fast. You can see once again. So response is very quick, so I can adjust the angle however I want, and if you want so as I want it to look up, so hello there, how are you? So yeah, this is how you can control the direction of the camera, and as it is a 360-degree camera, you can use it in any direction. So this was about the basic how to connect. Now let's talk about now it has already started recording the footage, so I don't have to worry about clicking on start and then it will start recording the videos. It has already started recording the videos. And now I'll give you some basic overview about the application. So here you can see you have video option, photo option, and this mic option. So mic option is actually that talk back feature, so once I'll click on the mic option, you can hear the sound from the speaker itself. So but there might be echo because there might be disturbance because the mobile and the camera are near to each other. So I think you will understand it. Okay, so we'll start. Let me just do this. Okay, so yeah, it's done now. Now you can see the footage from the camera, from the security camera. Now I'll tap on the mic, and once I do, hello. So hello. So yeah, this is the feature you can get, and using this feature, no matter you're at home or you're at your office, you can connect, or you can do, basically it's a call type feature. You can say it is a Wi-Fi call system, and by clicking on mic you can talk with someone who is on the other side of this camera. So that's a good thing. Now the next thing here is if I tap on the video option, the footage is recording right now, but if I want a particular footage, then what I'll do is I'll tap on this video option and it will start recording. The timing will come on the screen over here, so just notice that one thing. So here we go. So see, the timer has started, and now from this time onwards, this footage will be saved in my mobile, and already the footage is been which is shooted from this device. That footage also I can access, so nothing to worry about. It's just if you want a particular footage, then you can access it from here. So I'll stop it. Now you can see that 21-second footage has been recorded. Now I can see if I want any changes, I can do it, and if I want to share it, I can share on Facebook, WhatsApp, whatever I want. If I want to delete it, I can delete it from here. So that's it. So even you can take photos from this, but I don't think so anyone will take photos from a security camera, right? No need to take photo. So yeah, with the toggle you can control the direction. If you whichever direction you want, you can control it from here. Okay, so talking about the saved footage, so you can if you want to monitor, you can go in surveillance option, and if you want to see the saved footage, so you can click on playback and you can select all playback video. Just a moment, it is loading. I think the Wi-Fi network is not that strong. So when I click on playback option and I click on all playback videos, okay, so by clicking on all playback videos, basically you will get that folder option, and you can see multiple videos which have been recorded in parts, and you can access it from here. So that's one thing. I'm sorry if I'm not able to show you in the video. I think there's some problem with the Wi-Fi, but yeah, this is the basic application, and there are multiple options in settings. You can tap on that three dots on the right hand side corner, and if you want any particular setting of the camera, you can do it from here. Indicator light, data usage warning, sleep setting, image setting. In image setting you can if you want any lens distortion correction, that you can control it from here. Night vision setting, and everything you will find in the settings option. And let's go back. Now let's click on automation. Nothing in the automation right now. General settings. So in general setting you will find the basic device name, manage location, the firmware updates and all. And in more settings you get security settings, and all. So that's the basic overview. Nothing much in the application, only a few features you can access from the application itself. So if you want to monitor it, you have to download the application, and also if you want to connect the camera to the application or to the mobile, you have to download Mi Home application from Play Store or App Store. So now talking about the infrared night vision. Currently I am shooting in this studio and I have multiple lights over here, but as you can see, I'll include the video, the test footage in this one. So here you can see what kind of output we can achieve when the room is in the lighting condition, and also when I turn off the light, here you can notice how the camera is quickly adjusting and showing you the infrared night vision. So even in low light condition, or if there is no light, there won't be any quality loss or something. You can easily identify the video, you can easily see the footage of very good quality. So that's the actually one feature I liked about it very much. And talking about the AI motion detection, if your camera is set in office and you're leaving the office, and the whole night the camera will be in the working condition, and if it detects any motion, it will record that footage. And also you get an option in the application that if there is any motion detection, you can get a notification of that on your cell phone. So that's actually another good feature in this security camera. So in terms of quality and performance and everything, the video footage is good. You get get an option of 1080p resolution, so that is another good option. It comes with good features like AI motion detection and infrared night vision, so that is actually a good. And also it has the talkback feature. So overall, considering its price, it's actually a good package. Now talking about the price, on Amazon you will find this particular camera at 2,999, and if you are looking for a budget option, a budget security camera, trust me guys, this is the best option in the market right now. There is another camera and the features are same, which comes from a Realme brand. I don't remember the name, but it is also Realme 360 home security camera, and even it has the same features. Nothing is different, the feature is same, and also the price range is also same. It comes around 2,900 or 3,000 only. So price is also same, and you get both option. But if you are good with this one, I would suggest you to go with Mi, because the interface is good and it has the good quality. So yeah, if you like the product, if you're looking for a budget option for a security camera, then you can definitely buy this camera. So links you will find in the description. If you want to buy, you can just click on the link and you can buy it, and you can support the channel as well. So that's pretty much it about Mi 360-degree home security camera. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, you can hit that like button. If you have any question, you can write down in the comment section below. I'll try to answer all of them. And that's it for today's video. I'll see you all in the next one. Thank you.